So genetic material in cells is made of DNA. Which two of the following describe the structure of DNA? A double helix, yes, definitely. Monomer, no. Polymer, yeah. So it's lots of small molecules joined together to make a large molecule. That's all we need, so we're not worried about those two. So just remember that DNA is a double helix and also a polymer. Next we've got a range of words, so clone, disorder, gene, genome and mutation. We need to fill these gaps. So a small section of DNA which codes for one protein is called a gene. So you might see it as coding for a specific characteristic, but it actually codes for a protein, and that protein controls the characteristic. All the genetic material of an organism, so all the genes together in one organism, is called the genome. So you might remember the Human Genome Project, which was designed to sequence an entire human genome, so every single gene in the human body. Gametes or sex cells contain half the amount of DNA compared to body cells. Two types of gametes in humans are sperm cells and egg cells. So either order, doesn't matter. And when these sperm and the egg, these two gametes join together, that's known as fertilization. So fusion of gametes is fertilization. And this diagram here shows us the meiosis type of cell division. So this is the type of cell division that results in gametes. If you notice the original cell, you have 1, 2, 3, 4 chromosomes, but when you look at the cells that have been produced at the end, there's half the number of chromosomes. So you've gone from 4 to 2, and you'll notice there are actually 2 stages of division. So it divides once and then again, and you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 cells made. Which two features show that this is meiosis, not mitosis? Well, as we mentioned earlier, we've got the cells do divide twice. The chromosomes pull apart into new cells. This actually happens in both, so it can't be that one. Cytoplasm divides into new cells. That would also happen in meiosis. You have the copying of DNA in both. The new cells have half the number of chromosomes. Yeah, I agree with that one. So if it's meiosis, it must be dividing twice, and you must have half the number of chromosomes as in the original cell.